Hi everyone, welcome back, or welcome if this is your first time here. My name is Monisi and this is Monisi Makes. It is fall and I'm so happy and excited because if you know me, I love fall. It is my favorite season. If you want a lot of really good fall content, you have to follow Darling Desi. Subscribe to her channel on YouTube. It is amazing. I think right now she just moved to Rhode Island and she is just the queen of fall. She makes the coolest videos, so talented, and she gives really great suggestions on books, movies, recipes, a lot of different things. So she's one of my favorite YouTubers to watch. So today, to celebrate fall, I figured I could decorate my room and make a fall wreath. I personally don't like the Halloween scary side of fall, so this season can be kind of spooky in some aspects, and as a Christian, I kind of stay away from that. I prefer the cutesy, happy decorations, so that's what we're gonna stick with today. Lots of pumpkins, mushrooms, leaves, acorns, lots of different things like that. So if that is something you're interested in, stick around and let's make a fall wreath. I found this beautiful oval grapevine wreath at Hobby Lobby for $10, and most of what I will be putting on the wreath was either found at Hobby Lobby or Home Goods, and it was either a gift or I bought it for a really good price. The first thing I did was add some of the green moss to the branches, and then I popped the leaves off and made sure I knew how much I was going to be working with. So I just took them off, and then I decided to kind of put them on the wreath and arrange them before actually hot gluing them on the wreath. And I definitely recommend doing that instead of going ahead and gluing everything on, because sometimes you glue it and then you can't get it off and you end up not liking the way it turned out. So that's something that I learned not to do a long time ago. I decided to put the wreath above our bed because I thought it was so beautiful and I just wanted to see it every single day, so I was happy to put it here. I wanted to add more orange to kind of celebrate this season, so I finally brought out our new World Market pillow that I love so much, and then I added our orange throw blanket to make the orange kind of stand out. And then I finally brought out these beautiful pumpkin table runners that my mom actually gave to me, and then this picture I found on Unsplash, and if you can see that smiley yellow balloon that the ghost is holding, I love it so much. And if you haven't noticed, I love adding gold accents and wood in my decor, and if you haven't noticed already, you don't know me at all. So that's something you should change and start watching more of my videos, because you would know that by now. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. subscribe to my channel, comment down below. Let me know if you liked the wreath that I made or if it was too much for you. I know a lot of people prefer the minimal look when it comes to wreaths, but I was too excited. I had too much to work with and I just went for it. So I personally love it. I thought it was very whimsical and very fun, and it makes me happy when I look at it. Make your own wreath. If you prefer less, then go for it. I hope to see you guys next time, and thank you again so much for being here.